Standard 10th Science and Technology Part 1st, Chapter number 1, Gravitation. Here we are going to calculate the escape velocity of any object on the surface of the earth. From the principle of conservation of energy, we know that kinetic energy plus potential energy will give the value total energy, which will be always 0. Now 0 is equal to 1/2 mv square, that is kinetic energy, plus minus gmm divided by r, this is the potential energy which is used to move the object up to a certain height against gravity, therefore negative sign. Now the next step is 0 is equal to 1/2 mv square minus gmm divided by r. This gmm divided by r having negative sign is transferred to the another side of the equation, therefore we will get gmm divided by r is equal to 1/2 mv square. Now this v square will remain as it is to the side and the other values will be transferred to the other side of the equation. Then we will get 2 into gm small m divided by r into small m. This small m which are present in the numerator and denominator will cancel each other, therefore we will get v square is equal to 2gm divided by r. But we know that gm divided by r square is equal to g, therefore we will put that value in it. V square is equal to 2 into gm divided by r square, but in the above equation the value is gm divided by r. Now we are taking gm divided by r square. To maintain this value, we are again multiplying with this by r. Now next is v square is equal to 2 into g into r. Now by taking the square roots on both the sides, v is equal to square root of 2 into g into r. Now we are going to put the values of this g and r in the equation and then we will calculate the escape velocity. Now escape velocity is equal to square root of 2 into 9.8 meter per second square into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meters. Putting these values and the units are put into the right side of the equation. Now is equal to square root of all these values will multiply by each other and its value will be 125.44 into 10 raised to 6 into meter square per second square. Now by taking this square root we will get 125.44. Square root of this value will come to 11.2 into this 10 raised to 6 is square rooted to 10 raised to 3, then meter raised to 2 to m and s raised to 2 to 2 s. Then we will find the value v escape velocity is equal to 11.2 into kilometers per second. This 10 raised to 3 means 1000. 1000 means kilometer per second. Therefore the escape velocity on earth for any object is 11.2 kilometers per second. Thank you.